Team Optima HMS. Dear users, today we will learn about Care OPD Booking. Please open Optima HMS application and enter your user credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard of the Optima HMS application. Now please click on Care OPD. The Care OPD booking system is an interface within the software that allows the users to book daycare services which do not require admissions for more than one day. Here is a search patient button that allows us to search for patients' details using their UHID, Aadhar number or full name. Once the information is entered in the search fields, all related fields are populated with the patient's details. Let us see how it works. You must fill patient's name and contact number. We are putting Mr. Saurabh Das as patient's name. You must select patient's religion, caste and nationality. You must put patient's contact number, date of birth, address, email ID if necessary, and monthly income. If the permanent address is the same as the present address, we must check the corresponding box and the permanent address will be automatically filled in. Please enter patient's Aadhar number and upload a soft copy of it by clicking the action button. Now please enter at least one relative name and number. Now you need to categorize the patients based on their payment method, either cash or insurance. In this case, we are selecting the cash payment option. Now please select the specific department for the daycare services. Let us learn how to select a daycare service in a software interface, particularly for a patient requiring a specific medical service like cataract surgery. Please navigate to the daycare services fields. Click on the relevant section where daycare services are listed. Please type the name of the service. Begin typing cataract or any other service name in the field to filters the options. Now please use the down arrow key. Press the down arrow key on your keyboard to highlight the appropriate service from the list, example cataract surgery. Now please select the service. Once the correct service is highlighted, press enter to select it. Please set quantity if needed. Set the quantity, example we are putting 1 to indicate how many instances of the services are required. Now apply any discounts if applicable. There are two types of discounts. One is by percentage and the other is by entering an amount in the discount field. Also add the service that the patient wishes to choose. Finally, select the payment option that the patient prefers, either cash or UPI. If the payment is made through UPI, the transaction reference number must be entered in the designated field. In this case, we have chosen cash. We are now ready to complete the daycare OPD process for the patient. Once the service process in daycare is completed, all the details are recorded in the daycare booking register. Now you must click on the daycare OPD booking register where you can select the date range. This feature allows you to retrieve the patient's details within the specified date range. The default user is selected for the service booking and the appropriate category is chosen from the list. The category option allows you to access patient's details indicating whether the patient is booked under cash or insurance. Now please click on the search button to retrieve the details of the patient booked in daycare OPD. Now you can click on to action button for bill print, print receipt and cancel for the booking. So this is how we manage the daycare OPD booking. This video is for training purposes only. All data used here is for training purpose and have no relevance to any real patient. Thank you.